This is comparing the three different types of research. So there are many different circumstances to why someone will choose qualitative or quantitative research, or even mixed methods in that fact. They all serve different purposes and help find out different types of goals. When comparing the three, we need to look at the positives and negatives for all of them, and see what situations they will all be good for separately. The problem with mixed methods, firstly, is the researcher may not have the skill set to carry out both quantitative and qualitative research in one study. This may affect the accuracy and precision of the research. Whereas with the other two, the researchers usually know exactly what they are doing with the research, as they are properly trained. With mixed methods, it also takes much more time to carry out and may require more people to carry out, meaning more equipment is needed. This would obviously cost a lot more money to actually run. With qualitative research, it is used for completely opposite things to quantitative. This is because it involves things such as emotions and feelings towards something, whereas quantitative involves numbers and numbers and stuff like that. As qualitative research involves emotions and feelings, it can allow it to go more in depth into a certain topic, while still being more flexible and dynamic in its design compared to quantitative research, which has a hypothesis and goal in mind that is set out to find. This therefore makes quantitative research much less flexible because there is only one thing that they are trying to find out. Overall, it is very hard to compare the three types of research because they're all used for different kinds of tasks and research. So you need to so it is easy to figure out which research you need before carrying out the final task of doing the research.